The Excel rank function returns the rank of a numeric value when compared to a list of other numeric values. The rank formula can rank values from largest to smallest or from smallest to largest, depending on the optional order argument you put in. There are three fields or parameters that must be populated within the rank function. The first is the number, so this is the value we want ranked in the context of an array, which is the second parameter, which is called ref. So ref is the array of numbers that you want the first parameter assessed against. And then the third parameter is order. Order is an optional parameter where you inform the function whether you want the rankings to be in ascending or descending order. So let's look at an example here. And if we look here, we have a series of times next to a series of names. What we want to do is rank the positions 1 to 5 based on the lowest time being number 1 and the longest time being number 5. So I open up my rank function. The first parameter is the number, so this is what we want assessed. So that's the value in column B12. Then we're into our second parameter, which is the ref. This is again is the array of numbers, so we want to select all the values in column B here. We then want to lock that array by pressing F4. That's when we get these dollar symbols. And then the order reference, we have an option of either descending or ascending. So because we want the lowest value, i.e. the quickest time, to be ranked number 1, we select descending order. We can then drag this formula down, and then instantly we have the times ranked and a position allocated to each time.